1-5, find the solution set for an equation. Number 1 asks us to determine if the solved variable is a solution for the equation or not. We need to plug in the value that we have into the equation to see if the left side matches with the right hand side. Let's take a look at A here. A, you know that x is equal to 60. That means this equation that we have here, we have to replace the x with the number 60. Okay, because it says it right here, x is equal to 60. Now we can simplify that. What is 60 minus 10? That would become the number 50. Okay, because that is what 60 minus 10 is. Now we do that division. What is 4 divided by 50? Well, if you don't see it, you can do the long division here. How many times does 4 go into 5? 1 time. 1 times 4 is 4. Divide this. This becomes 10. How many times does 4 go into 10? 2 times. Okay, 8. Then this becomes 20. Bring down that decimal, it would be 12.5. So right here, if you do this, it would be 12.5 is equal to 5. Is this true? This is not true. Okay, this is not true. They're not equal. So x equals to 60 is not a valid solution. Let's now take a look at problem B. Here we have the equation and we were told that h is equal to the 7. So here's the equation. I'm going to now substitute in the 7 for the h. Okay, I'm going to subtract put the 7 here for the h. Now we can simplify. Okay, remember we follow the order of PEMDAS, P-E-M-A, multiply, divide, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so nothing happens to the 6 and the parentheses 7 plus 2 parentheses. Let's do what's inside the parentheses. What is 12 minus 7? That is a 5. Okay, so that is what 12 minus 7 is. Now we can do the multiplication. What is 6 times 7? That is 42. Then we want to add 2 times 5 is 10. And let's see, does this equal to, oh, this is a 4. Does that equal to a negative 4? Okay, no it doesn't. 42 plus 10 is 52. Is that equal to negative 4? Okay, so this is not true. So that h equals to 7 is not a valid solution here. Now let's take a look at C. Here we are going to see if letter D equals to 0 is a valid solution. So I'm going to now erase the letter D here and plug in the value of 0 for the letter D. I always put in a parentheses, and I'm going to take out the letter D here and put a parentheses 0. Now we can simplify the like terms, right? So we have do inside the parentheses first. What is 5 times 0? That is 0. So here we put the number 0 because that's what 5 times 0 is. Now we can do what's inside the parentheses. What is 0 plus 2? That is the value of just 2, because 0 plus anything is just 2. So inside that parentheses is just 2. What's 2 times 2? That is 4. Okay, let's see if this is equal to what's 10 times 0? That is 0. So this is not true. Therefore, you conclude when D equals to 0 is not a valid solution. Okay, notice every single one of these problems that we did, these solutions were not valid. Okay, so these were not all true because when you plug it in, the left side did not match the right hand side.